Do you want to save time cleaning? Well, we've got the very thing for you. It's the Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua Vac that allows you to vacuum and mop all at the same time. So let's have a look at some of its features. The standout feature of the Bosch Aqua Vac is this: the dynamic Aqua mop head, which makes short work of even the biggest cleanup jobs. So how does it work? The automatic water dosage evenly moisturizes the spinning pads, and this helps remove any stubborn stains. It's perfect for tiles, laminated floors and sealed wooden floors also. And another cool feature of the Unlimited 7 is this: the battery. The battery on the Unlimited 7 is unique, as you can not only power your Unlimited 7 for up to 40 minutes, but you can also power any Bosch power tools that you may have. Or you can use existing Bosch power tool batteries to increase the runtime on your Unlimited 7. Have a problem with pet hair on carpets? That's not a problem for the Unlimited 7's dynamic motorized floor head. Its powerful spinning brushes easily pick up pet hair from carpets, leaving them spotlessly clean. So there you have it, the Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua Vac. If you want to give it a go, call into your local Euronics store, or if you want to check out more about it, you can look at euronics.ie.